Hi. In this episode, we're talking about NFS, or the Network File System. This is a technology that was developed by Sun Microsystems that allows you to mount remote file systems onto your computer as if they were local. The key features of NFS include the ability to share files across a network, and for you as a client, the ability to access remote servers without actually knowing their location. You simply need to know their IP address or host name, and if they have any NFS shares, you can simply mount them as if they were local to your computer. Again, this technology is meant to be used over a LAN network, and it was developed by Sun Microsystems. In the upcoming labs, we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up an NFS server that will essentially be sharing some directory and some files across the network. And then we're going to show how to configure and mount a network share that is being shared from some file server or some location on the net. In the upcoming episodes, we're going to talk about how to configure both sides of NFS, including the server side for NFS, as well as the client side in order to mount a system that is being shared over the network. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I'll see you in the next one.